Joe Beermaster here. We have a Honda Fit. I'm going to show you how to change a bulb in your tail light or your brake light, whatever you need to do. We're going to open the hatch, first thing we're going to do. And as you look inside here, you'll see this little panel in the trim. It's a little cutout. You can use a little screwdriver or something to pull that out. That basically pops right out. And on the inside, you can see the bulbs here. A couple bulbs. We got two bulbs. And what we do is we just basically twist them out. Twist. There's your bulb. And to get that bulb out from the socket, you just pull on that bulb. And if you look closely, there's some numbers on that bulb. You can get them from your local supplier. I'm going to put this back in. It's got little cutouts that have to line up. You can see that. It's also got it on the socket, so we're going to get that in. And we're going to spin it till it fits. That's it, that clicks in. There's the other one up there if you need to get it off. Now if you want to take the whole assembly out, that's a little different story. To replace the assembly, you can see in here, try to get the lens in there. There's bolts next to, see there's a bolt right there. There's also one on the inside, right there. And they're little 8 or 9 millimeter bolts. And we loosen that, and once they're out, let's see if there's any more. Once they're out, you just want to wiggle on this a little bit on the tail light. And if it doesn't come out, usually there's a clip here. You kind of got to brush your hand across the light like that, and it releases it from the clip. And that's it. So sometimes some models you want to take the whole assembly out to change the lights, but on the Fit here they have an easy access panel, and it's the same on both sides. We're going to close that back up. And that's it. If you need to change your tail light on a Honda Fit, that's how it's done for brake light, turn light, stop light, etc. Click that bad boy in there, and you're ready to roll. Joe Beermaster.